I get this question all the time. Devin, how long should you test a new YouTube automation channel before deciding whether to keep going or pivot? My answer is don't use a time rule first. Use a sample size rule. For a new channel, I want to see at least 8 to 12 videos in one niche with a consistent format before I make a real keep or pivot decision. For most beginners, that's usually about 30 to 45 days. Anything less than that, and you're usually reacting to noise, not signal. Here's the framework. First, keep the topic tight. Don't test 3 niches at once. Second, keep the format stable. Same audience, similar video structure, same promise. Third, test packaging separately. That means your titles and thumbnails should get 2 to 3 deliberate iterations across the batch, instead of random guesses every upload. Then look at the data like an operator. If impressions are coming in, but click-through is weak, that's a packaging problem. If click-through is solid, but viewers drop early, that's a content or scripting problem. If after 8 to 12 videos, you have weak impressions, weak click-through, and weak retention, then yes, pivot the angle. Not necessarily the whole channel, usually the topic angle, video format, or audience promise. I wouldn't quit after video 3, and I also wouldn't blindly grind for 6 months. Run a clean test, review the signals, then decide. That's exactly the kind of workflow I like to track inside Satura, so the pivot decision is based on evidence, not emotion.